In this video, I will show you how to create a custom flyer using NPDOffice. Log into NPDOffice and scroll partway down the tiles to the Tools tile. Click on Tools. Here you will find the Custom Flyer tile. When you click on Custom Flyer, it will open another tab in your browser. Here you can add the MLS number of the property or search the drop-down for the property you wish to create a flyer for. I know the property that I'm going to create, so I'm going to enter it here and click Submit. Here you'll see step 2 to creating the custom flyer. This is where you are able to pick the photos for the flyer. If you need to reference the photos from the MLS, there's a click here for a reference page option. Here you can see the coordinating number with the photo so that you can select your photos accordingly. It opened in a second tab, so to get back to where I was, I'm just going to click the tab just to the left. I am going to just select my photos in sequential order, but you can always change this up if you want to highlight certain parts of the property. Maybe you want to highlight the kitchen and the backyard. You might select different photos and not just select them in order. Here you can see it pulled in the listing agent, but you can pick from the drop down your name so that it would be entered here. I'm going to leave it as Jill, and then here you can enter custom content. You can talk about the property, you can talk about your open house, you can put your contact information in there, although it will pull in automatically. Once you've added your comment, you can click Submit, and it's going to open that flyer. You can see it's loading here. And here you can see it's totally branded with the property information. Here is the listing agent's information. If you put yourself in, it would pull in here. These are the images that I chose, and then my custom messages here. Look, there's lots of room here, so feel free to add a long custom message here. It does not pull in the property remarks, so this is where you have the ability to showcase that property. At the top, you can download this flyer to keep it on your desktop or print it straight from this screen. You're good to go.